Hey guys, Kevin Faddy here, and this is the first official demo video of WP Sync. This is a new WordPress plugin which I have designed to basically cut out monthly fees and move my subscribers around, add them to Zoom, add them to my sheets, and everything like that. So basically, I want to be fully transparent with you. I've been using this plugin for around 3 months. I first designed it for my use only, basically in order to close my Zapier account for the simple things that I use it for. I could not justify the payment. So once I emailed my list and I got a few people on board that basically said, Kevin, can you add this autoresponder? Can you add this connection? Can we make it work with wish list? Can we make it work with easy digital downloads, WooCommerce, etc., etc.? So basically, over the past few weeks, we have been massively improving this, and we have been adding dozens and dozens of connections where we plan to add basically hundreds of connections to this over time. So right now, I'm just going to show you a demo of how quickly it works, how simple it is, and just why I created it. So let's just give a quick example here. I'll just do WP Bonus Builder, for example, Bonus Builder AI. And I would like to move you've got active campaign. These are all the ones that I've connected. So they'll automatically show up here. So for example, Bonus Builder AI, I would like to move them to another list. Let's say I would like to add them to active campaign. And here I can go bonus builder AI. From there, I would like to add them to my Google Sheets so we can record everything there as well. And from there, let's say I would like to add them to an upcoming Zoom webinar. And we can also delay that. So I'll wait for basically 5 days for that, or that webinar is on June 19th. So I can actually wait until June for anything I want. So I will actually go back 1 week so the notifications start going out. And from there, we can do anything we want. But that's it for now. From here, I click on Create Bridge. And it is just working straight away. We can test anything straight away. You can come along here and see a test. It will pass. You can see the past history of everything. Right, I just want to say something what's really, really cool here. One of the reasons I found Zapier so annoying is when I did use it, I was paying between $147 a month or $49 per month, 47, whatever it was. And I was always having to enable and disable my zaps because you're limited to a number amount, and you're also worried about you're going to go over your data, your quota. With this, I can create hundreds and hundreds of different bridges for absolutely every part of my business. I can automate everything. I can edit anything at any one time. I can delay it. And I know I have absolutely no restrictions. There is all of the add-ons here basically collect with one click. You can add them very, very easily. You have a full activity log here of all your subscribers and every single bridge. You can click on details, you can see exactly what happened. You can search, you can see the status, success partial. Absolutely nothing is failing. You've got a full training database here and diagnostics settings. Absolutely everything, guys. You can change the color of the theme any way you want. It's got a lot of cool features. But the overall goal of this is obviously to save you guys money and give you complete control over your automations. I'm just going to show you another little example here. We have added our wish list member to this site. So basically, if you have a WordPress plugin installed, it's going to pick up all the data for you. You can see in this case here, I have over 120 different lists inside here. But for this example, let's say the one thing I would like to use this for is to know about who cancelled results with Kevin, or who joins or who renews their payments. So you can come in here, you can see recurrent payments, cancelled, reactivated, approved, unapproved, absolutely everything. If you come back here and you come along and you choose, for example, Warrior Plus or JVZoo, you can see all of the lists here. You can do refunds, chargebacks, cancellations, and failed payments. And it's the exact same for JVZoo. Again, you've got all your products are going to be pulled in. You can see create zaps or create syncs for absolutely every single thing when it comes to your affiliate marketing. The same for ClickBank once it's connected. So guys, this is WP Sync. It is an absolutely outstanding WordPress plugin that basically you will be using every single day in your business. It just runs on complete autopilot in the background where you can automate everything. So while it's 50% off, guys, currently, I highly suggest click the link below, check it out, and just start setting up your automations and watch your business grow.